Hi guys, so the question is there is a famous Olympiad which has, elimination. There is a famous Olympiad which has more than 100 participants. The Olympiad consists of two stages, elimination stage and final stage. At least 100 participants will be advanced to the final stage. The elimination stage is turn consisting of two contestants. A result of elimination stage is total score into contest. But unfortunately, the jury lost the final standing and has the only standing for the first and for the second contest separately. In each contest, the participants ranked by their point score in non-increasing order. When two participants have a tie, earn the same score. Tie means earn the same score. They are, I mean, they are ranked by their passport number. Okay, in accordance with local regulation, all passport numbers are distinct. In first contest, the participant on the 100th place scored A points. Also, the jury checked all participants from first to 100th place inclusive. In the first contest, and found out that all of them have at least B points in the second contest. Okay. Similarly, for the second contest, the participant on the 100th place has C points, and the jury checked all the places participants from first to the 100th place inclusive. But at least D points D point in the first contest. After two contests, all participants are ranked by their local score in two contests in non-increasing order. When participant has same total score, tie breaking with passport number is used. The cutoff score is qualified to the final stage. Is the total score of the participant on the 100th place. Given an integer a, b, c, d, please help the jury to determine the smallest possible value of the cutoff score. Okay, so for each test case, print the single integer. The smallest possible cutoff score is in some Olympiad scenarios satisfy the given information. Okay, so what we are doing over here, we first take the input a, b, c, d. Okay, a, b, c, d, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, in the first test case, we can see for the first test case, consider the following Olympiad scenario where there are 101 participants in the elimination stage, each having 1 point for the first contest and 2 points for the second contest. Hence, the total score of the participant is on the 100th place is 3. Okay, so how we'll find this 3? Let me show you the solution. Okay, so as you can see, what we are doing, we'll take the input of a, b, c, d, e. We have declared the variable. Then what we will going to do, max a plus b comma c plus d, whatever will be the max, we will output that value and we'll get the answer through of that. Okay, so let's compile the code first. 144 144. Okay, so yeah, we had compiled the code. Now let's execute it. Let's enter the test cases over here. All the answers are correct. You can submit it also. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.